Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Okay, today I will discuss about the ninth class maths. This first chapter, real numbers. Okay, some important properties relating to the square roots I will explain in this video, and also along with the examples also. Example 14 and example 15 I will explain in this video. So before problems, before exercises and before examples I done in the before videos. If you want that, see in my channel. Okay, now let us go to the video. Okay, see here, let a and b be the positive real numbers. So here we are taking a and b be any positive real number. Don't take a negative real numbers. Okay, these are the important formulae or properties useful to your studies. Okay, first one is a root ab. So nothing but root a into root b. We can write like this, or they gave like this means we can write like this also. Root ab is equals to root a into root b. In the second one, root a by b is equals to root a divided by and root b. So if condition is there, b not equals to 0. And third one, root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equals to a minus b formula. Nothing but it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here I will show you here this one. So a plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. No, so nothing but root a whole square minus root b whole square. A square minus b square. So square root will be cancelled here. So what will come? A minus b only coming. So a minus b. And the fourth one is a plus root b into a minus root b. So it is in the form of same a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, nothing but root b whole square. Square root will be cancelled like this and b it will come. And fifth one property is root a plus root b into root c plus root a. So first multiply this root a into the total this one. So root a into root c. So same here, root a into root c means we can write like this, root ac. So root ac and root a into root d. So nothing but under root ad. Next one, root b into root c, nothing but under root b into c. And again my plus into plus plus, and root b into root d, nothing but root b into d. Next one, root a plus root b whole square, nothing but a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square nothing but root a whole square. So like this, root a whole square plus 2 root a into root b plus b square, nothing but root b whole square. So square root will be cancelled here. Here also square root will be cancelled. So how we can write a plus 2, this one root a into root b, nothing but same like this, root a b we can write. Root a b plus b. So here a plus 2 root a b plus b, it is a very important for you. Okay, so if anybody wants this one, pause this video and note these important points. Okay, now let us go to the example 14. Okay, example 14, multiply 6 root 3 with 13 root 3. So here 6 root 3 into 13 root 3. So first this numbers multiply 6 into 13 and again into root 3 into root 3. So 13 6 are 78. And again root 3 into root 3, nothing but root 3 into 3 we can write, no, nothing but root 9 directly also we can write. So 78 into root 9. What is the root 9 value? 3, we know that one. So 78 root 3. So directly we can write as root 3. Sorry. So root 9 value is only 3. 78 into 3. So what is 78 into 3? 234. So root 3 into root 3, nothing but root 3 whole square also we can write. Square root will be cancelled and directly 3 we can write. So root 9 value is 3, not root 3. Sorry for this one. Okay, clearly understood for you. Okay, now let us go to the example 15. Okay, see this example 15. Simplify the following expression. First one, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So first one here, first one solution. So here first multiply with 3 into total this one. So directly we can write, or write like this also, 3 into 2 plus root 2 and plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2, like this. First 3 with total this one, 2 plus root 2, and again plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So 3 2s 6 and plus 3 root 2. 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2 plus, and again root 3 into 2 nothing but 2 root 3 and plus root 3 into root 2. So 6 plus 3 root 2 and 2 root 3. Here root 2 root 3 different, having no same as it is right. Here it is in the formula root a into root b, nothing but root ab. So root ab 3 into 2, so nothing but 6, root 6. Okay, so first one this one. Okay, now let us see the second problem. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Okay, second one, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula what? A square minus b square. Okay, here I wrote formula. So 2 square nothing but 4 minus, so square root will be cancelled here. 2 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. Okay, now let us see the third one. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square, nothing but a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square we know a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. Okay, here also square root will be cancelled and 5 right here, plus 2, here root a into root b, nothing but root ab. So root ab nothing but root 5 into 2, nothing but directly also we can write root 10, and plus here square root will be cancelled 2. Okay, so here 5 plus 2 how much? 7 plus 2 and 5 2s are 10. 2 root 10, 7 plus 2 root 10. Okay, now let us go to the fourth one. Okay, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. A minus b into a plus b. Okay, same like this, a plus b into a minus b, nothing but a square minus b square. So what is the a here? Root 5. Okay, here I wrote for understanding purpose. Here a is equals to first one root 5, b is equals to root 2. Okay, same this formula I am using here for fourth one. Okay, so a square minus b square, square root will be cancelled here. 5 minus, here also square root will be cancelled. Okay, so 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 nothing but 3. Okay, this is the example 15. Next examples I will explain in the next video. Okay, please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.